Hello guys, as I've always been advising people, whenever you hire a tradesman, you need to do your due diligence about them. You need to call the previous people that they've worked with and check online what their works ethics are, how they've been working, what photos and all the rest of it. And most importantly, go and visit them and see what they're actually doing in real life. So this morning, I'm here to check works of one of my plasterers I've hired to do the project here. So I'm here today just to check what he's doing, whether he's a tidy worker, how his finishing is, and etc. So I can know exactly what sort of person he is when he is at my property. So this plasterer has been hired for our Keppel project. So I look forward to actually going in there and see what sort of work he does and what his end product are, the people he work with, and what the actual way of him working, because we really need to have a good, ethical, tidy and polite worker to work with us, especially when it comes to tradesmen. So you need to make sure you do your due diligence reviews and see exactly what they're doing. So I am here today to do exactly that. I'm saying tonight, guys, now I'm here now to see the prospective plasterer, to see how he's working is like. So our project is we need beams, RSJs going in, and then scheme and plaster the whole house. Let's see if he's got something like that going on here. So this is his current project, as you can see. What you need to look for, whether he's tidy. It looks like he's tidy. You can see he's hack all that off, but he still leave it clean and tidy. You can see all that. Obviously, he put all the rubbles in bags, which is a good sign as well to say he's tidy. And one of the most important thing also, we're going to be having beams, RSJs in our property. So he's done that here. Again, that's a proof to say he can do what we've asked him to do, basically. As you can see here, he's really tidy. He's just about to start this project. And if we go this way, you know, he's done the plaster boards there. It looks clean and tidy. And then he's hacked out of all that. And then you can see here he's very tidy. He packs all his rubbish nicely in bags. It's not all over the place. And he's got that there. We're now going to go upstairs just to see what sort of skimming is done. Okay, so you can see he skimmed all this bit there, and then feel it, see if it's smooth. It looks smooth. And then go upstairs like that, and then we're going to turn the camera around to see what he's done. As you can see here, he's done that really nice smooth finish. And then let's see the rooms he's done. He's done this room here. Again, you can see he's a tidy guy. There's no mess of plaster and all the rest of it on the floor. You can see it's very tidy and clean, and skim this ceiling nicely. And you can see that's a good one. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and again he's done this bit here and all the way there. And obviously this is the corridor here, and again he skimmed this nicely. See? So you can see there. You can see all this here. Again, this is the room he has completed. This is the important. You see the completed stuff. That's what we need to look for. You can see very clean and tidy. This is the sort of people you need to be looking for when you're doing your project. You can see very clean and tidy. Organize the bag. The multi-finish bags are there. Smooth finish, and you can see here. Very smooth, I like that. And then you can see him actually doing the job. Now you know he's not gonna subcontract the job for you. He's actually doing it, right? So he's not one of those that will get the job, get someone else to do it. So he's actually doing it, and yeah. So I really look forward to working with him. Hopefully, Keppel project will not be the first and last project. Maybe he'll be part of our power team. We'll work with him going forward in future project. But yeah, I like the way it works, very tidy, clean. So yeah guys, these are the sort of things that you need to be looking for when you are doing renovations. Yes, we've gone in and seen what the plasterer is like, or what the builder is like. We know that he's very tidy, right? And he looks like his finishing is really good as well in terms of the plaster smooth. And thirdly, we know he can do RSJ or beams in our property. So you want to make sure that they're doing exactly what they're going to do in your property. You know, sometimes plasterers don't do RSJs, they don't do beams, so you need to make sure they're doing exactly that. That's the key things. And sometimes it's not just about price. Of all the plasterers we had, he came across second most expensive, right? He was top there in terms of prices. But end of the day, the way he approached us, the way he spoke with us, the way he looked at the project, the way he gives advice and all the rest of it qualifies him for the job. Sometimes it's not just about the price, sometimes it's about the quality of the job the person is going to do, and the way the person portrays themselves, and then talking to them also, you would know whether they're experienced or not. So he came across second most expensive, but look what it is. We are going to hire him for the job, and then obviously hopefully we will get him on. And the second thing also, once you've got that person, you don't need to do just one person. You need to have reviews of 2 or 3 builders, just to make sure if he fell through or if he couldn't make it, you've got someone standby to actually get the job done. So again, this is the sort of thing you do. You can see it's not hard. It's not really magic. It's just about telling them, booking them. If they said to you no, that means you have to work away. If they start making excuses saying, oh, it's a smaller project, or I'm rendering outside, it is not relevant to what you're asking me to do, or if they're making excuses in order to see their current jobs, or giving you numbers to ring for references, I would walk away. I would definitely walk away, because I know then they are not my perfect fit. So this guy come across very nice professionals, and also wanted me to come and see his job, and I've seen it. I'm happy with it, and then he's got the job, regardless how much he's quoted me compared to the other people who quoted me cheaper. But because of the way he portrays himself, he's got the job. And this is what you do, guys. There's no magic. This is absolutely what you do. Don't just get people to work on your project without seeing what they're doing. Again, thank you so much. I really look forward to sharing the whole project with you, as I said, and I will go step by step. Now we're talking about builders, how to get them in, and then I'll have a video where I can talk you through all the figures, so you know exactly how much we anticipated or estimated to spend in these projects. Thank you.